This section of the DevTrack product expert training will cover using auto routing to assign ownership of tasks. Topics covered under this section are what is auto routing, defining auto routing properties, assigning task owner based on routing properties, and using auto routing with task workflow. Many a times while creating tasks, you are not sure regarding the suitable owner of the task. Auto routing feature in DevTrack helps you to determine the suitable owner for a task based on different auto routing criteria and rules. With these rules set in place, you can determine the possible target owner for any task. In the next section, we'll cover how to set these criteria and rules. To enable auto routing, browse to the DevTrack project, advanced features in the admin panel and select auto routing page, and then check the option to enable auto routing feature for your DevTrack project. There are 3 different routing properties for the user to choose from, namely based on workload, based on skill level, or a combination of both using a formula. The user can also set a default owner if no criteria is met. So let's select the routing property based on skill level. Next, enter the auto routing criteria. This criteria can be set for multiple fields and its values. Next, add the possible target owners for each criteria and enter the skill level. In this case, for a given task, if my platform field is set to either Android or iOS and the priority is urgent, the highest skill person will be assigned the owner of the task. The multiple defined criteria follows a top-down approach in selecting the criteria and possible target owners. For instance, if the platform for the task is not selected, then the priority field criteria would kick in and the possible target owner will be selected. For the routing property based on workload, the task owners will be assigned based on the workload of the selected owner. So, for the given criteria, the owners with the least number of open issues will be assigned as the task owner. For the routing property based on formula, set the skill weight and the workload weight. Hence, if Dean Stewart has twice as much as load as the next skill person, then you begin to offload the work at that time. Now, let's see how these changes take effect on the DevTrack web. To set the auto routing for the tasks from the current owner field, select the option Auto Assignment. Now, since from the auto routing settings we had the criteria set based on the platform and the priority, let's select the platform first for this task and set it to iOS. Now, once you save the task, the current owner is changed to Terry Johnson based on our defined criteria. For the same task, let's reset the current owner to be auto-assigned, and this time let's set the priority to urgent and remove the platform selection. Once you save the task, now the current owner has been assigned to Judith Brown. Because since the platform field was empty, the platform criteria didn't kick in and the owner was assigned based on the priority field. The auto assignment value can also be defined for tasks in the workflow states. From the workflow options page, once you select the option to support applicable owners, then for any state you can select the auto assignment value. So whenever a task moves into this state, the current owner will automatically be assigned based on the defined auto routing criteria. This concludes the quick demonstration on using auto routing to assign ownership of tasks. For more information, contact info@techexcel.com or call us at 800-439-7782. Thank you.